What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rosita back with another video. No, that's not my new intro. I was just messing around, but I hope you guys like it anyways. I don't know what I did all of that for, but okay. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to clean your Invisalign trays, or rather how I clean my Invisalign trays. There is two cheap methods that I use to clean my Invisalign trays. One when I'm at home and the other when I'm at work. In today's video, I'll be showing you both. So let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is have a container with water. You can't clean your Invisalign tray with no water, point blank period. You need water to clean your Invisalign trays. Anyways, so I have a container. I fill it up halfway with water. Then I just take my Invisalign trays and I dunk it in there. Then I take dish soap. Yes, dish soap. I pour some in there. If you're looking for a precise measurement, it's about a tablespoon. I let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Then when I'm done eating or doing whatever I'm doing, I will take a toothbrush. So this is my toothbrush. It's not the one that I brush my teeth with, but it's the one that I use for my Invisalign trays. So then I take this, take my trays, I brush inside and outside, and I do that for both of the trays. Then I check it to make sure that it's clean. If it's not clean, I do the same thing again, wash it out under lukewarm water, and then I put it in my mouth. That's what I do at home. Now, if you don't have dish soap, which I can't imagine anyone don't having dish soap, but anyways, if you don't have dishwashing liquid, you can use baking soda and water, or you can use vinegar and water. You can also use Listerine and water. Either of these choices work just as fine. So for step number 2, for when I'm at work, this is what I do. I have a denture box at work, a denture holder. So I fill it up halfway with lukewarm water, same like I did for this. And I put 2 pumps of Listerine. Then I use this Novodent denture cleaner. And this is, it's not filled right up. It's halfway like this. So I take half of it and I put it in my Invisalign tray. I let that sit for 1 hour at work because my break is 1 hour, so I let it sit for 1 hour. Then when the 1 hour is up, I obviously come back, I wash. I have a toothbrush at work as well. I take that toothbrush and I brush it inside out and run it under lukewarm water again. But just before you put the denture, I probably should have said this for step 1 as well. Just before you put the trays on, make sure you brush and you floss. Now you want to brush and floss before and after. Well, not before you put the trays in and after you take them out. Brushing is very important because Invisalign tray is like a retainer, so it holds your teeth. There is lack of saliva, it's just flowing on your tongue, it's not flowing on your teeth. And the trays actually hold debris and actually holds plaque. So you want to brush and floss before and after the trays. And you do this for every meal or every time you take out your denture. Why am I saying dentures? Before you take out your trays. For me, now this might sound a little crazy, but not really. Why can't I speak? Tongue-tied anyways. I brush and floss 4 times. So in the morning before I go to work, when I get to work, I have coffee or something to drink. Not coffee, like an iced coffee or bacon wrap or something. So then I brush and floss. And then my lunchtime, I brush and floss. And all of those times, when the tray's out of my mouth, I put it in something to soak. And then when I come home, I eat again, I brush and floss. Actually 5 times. And before I go to sleep, I brush and floss again. So that's what I do every single day. Yeah, my life sucks. Yeah, I know. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, so that's what I do 5 times a day. And yeah. So like I said, when I first recorded when I got Invisalign, do not buy the cleaning crystals. And I still stand by my word, do not buy the cleaning crystal. They're freaking expensive. There is no point in buying them because they do the same job as the dish soap or the Listerine or just plain water. The Novodents you could get, I don't know if they sell it at Shoppers anymore, but I know they sell on Amazon. $16, 12 packs. Now, you don't have to get this. If it was up to me, I wouldn't get this. I just got it because it's free and it's at my workplace. But at home, I use the dish soap. Yeah, you don't need to go out and spend money on something so expensive to clean Invisalign trays that you're gonna throw away in 2 weeks or 1 week. Depends on when you change. You know what I mean? I mean, if you're super rich and you can afford to buy the crystals, by all means, do your thing. But for me and for people who can't afford or who don't want to spend money, wasting money on something that you're gonna, like I said, you're gonna throw it away in 2 weeks. To avoid getting stains on them though, if you're drinking coffee, you want to take it out. Or you can drink from a straw. I just rather take it out. If you're like me and you eat or you cook with curry powder, that stains, so you want to take out your tray before eating, obviously, and you want to clean your teeth. When I say clean your teeth, I mean literally brush to get the stain off, to avoid staining your trays. Because I communicate with people on a daily basis, I talk to my patients, I talk to my dentist. Like, some of them, I know that they can't really see my trays, but the people who know that I have trays will notice that it's a kind of yellow. And for me, to get the curry stains out of your teeth, you want to brush right away, and you want to use some sort of a whitening toothpaste. Not on your trays, just on your teeth. Using toothpaste on your trays will leave a residue. It will be foggy. It will have kind of like the tray is clear. But when you brush it with toothpaste, this will be foggy. It will be foggy and it'll have like a nasty-ish white, I should say. It'll be transparent, but not as transparent, if you know what I mean. So definitely you do not want to brush your trays with toothpaste, but obviously you brush your teeth with toothpaste. So yeah, like I said, those are the 2 ways. So those are the 2 ways that I clean my Invisalign trays. And on a side note, I can't believe it's been 1 month and a week since I've had Invisalign. So far I've had a little movement with Invisalign. I feel the pain every time my teeth moves, but yeah, I think it's working. It's good. I'm excited to see the end product. Well, obviously it's my teeth, but I'm excited to see how it looks after. Anyways, guys, I hope you stay safe, be positive, and spread the love. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, so you can be the first ones notified every time I upload a new video. On that note, bye!